Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove textures in Roblox in just a few simple steps. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're looking to remove textures in Roblox to improve performance or just for a cleaner look, you need to access Roblox file location. Minimize everything on your screen and go to the search bar on your computer. Type Roblox, and when the app appears, right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the new window, right-click on the Roblox shortcut again and select Open File Location once more. Now enable file name extensions. At the top of the window, you will see a menu. Click on the View tab. From there, select Show and make sure file name extensions is enabled. This is essential for editing file types later. Right-click anywhere in the folder, select New and then Folder. Name this folder Client Settings and press Enter to save it. Open the Client Settings folder you just created. Inside it, right-click, go to New and select Text Document. Rename this file to Client App Settings, but make sure to change the file extension from .txt to .json. For example, Client App Settings.json. Right-click on the Client App Settings.json file and select Edit. Paste the following code into the file. Once done, go to File in the top menu and click Save. Launch Roblox again. Close everything and open Roblox. Launch any game and you will notice that textures have been successfully removed. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.